The SketchUp team's goal has always been to make software that reflects the way you think, the way you create, the way you work. Today, we're going to walk you through our collective vision for where the SketchUp ecosystem is going. And that vision is in partnership with all of you, shaped by your guidance and feedback that you've generously shared with us over the years.
Design doesn't happen in a vacuum. We're all here today as partners in the process of building the physical world. So, we've been working on 2 multi-year projects. First, our team completely rebuilt the SketchUp graphics engine to improve performance and enable new visualization capabilities. With the release earlier this year, desktop users reported that SketchUp was up to 8 times faster, and that was when they were working with even larger models than before. You also saw the first visual improvement in our pipeline, ambient occlusion, which adds depth and richness to all kinds of models and drawings. The second project was to build a real-time collaboration engine, and you've seen a few of the first results in the link sharing features released earlier this year.
The reason you share something is to collaborate, to receive feedback. With comments now embedded in SketchUp, there's no need to worry about feedback getting lost. Engaging in a conversation about design is as easy as clicking one of these hotspots and typing something. In design, materiality speaks volumes, which is why SketchUp now natively supports physically based materials and image-based lighting. We're introducing industry-standard properties to SketchUp materials like metalness, roughness, normals, and ambient occlusion. The 3D warehouse will have more than 500 PBR materials available to download. In our new environments panel, you can choose from a selection of preloaded sky domes or upload your own HDRI or EXR file. But what if you could simply share a presentation directly from SketchUp? Our new slideshow link makes that possible. This on-rails experience is perfect for clients who are unfamiliar with SketchUp. It also gives you full control over exactly what your audience sees. Any change our designer makes is immediately visible to everyone. And because we've extended our new graphics engine to both web and iPad, this guarantees that the clients get to see that subtle, beautiful materiality in all its glory.
And you can see that even though the new photoreal materials face style is turned on, this material looks kind of flat. You can see we've added an AI-powered pixie dust icon. Now this is the good part, so don't blink, because with just one click, we're able to automatically convert a material into a full-fledged PBR. And not only will SketchUp generate and apply all the texture maps and properties, but it also fixes the base texture so that it tiles seamlessly. Here you can see a comparison between a SketchUp model on the left, and on the right is an image that was generated using the previous version of diffusion. With the latest version, we're now seeing results like this. The types of results we were generating before, and here you can see what we're generating now. Types of results we were seeing before, and here you can see what we're generating now. I feel like I need to point out here, these images are one button click, straight out of SketchUp, 0 post-processing. Now let's take a look at what else is new. We've maxed out the canvas and rearranged the UI to give you a full screen workspace. We're introducing a gallery that contains the past 30 days worth of images you've created. Well, with the new eraser tool, Alberto can simply brush over that area and let AI fill in the blank. Alberto is able to input a prompt and then brush over a specific aspect of the design before then asking AI to generate a series of revisions. Next up is one of my favorite additions, the Sketch tool, which, as its name suggests, allows you to express an idea in the form of a sketch, which AI then interprets with the help of your prompt and composites back into the rendered image. We're thrilled to pull back the curtain and take a look at our latest labs project, SketchUp Assistant. On the surface, the SketchUp Assistant presents a conversational interface, but under the hood, it's home to a collection of AI agents that are capable of handling a wide range of tasks. The help agent is your new go-to for learning on the fly. Whether you're exploring a new tool, figuring out a workflow, or just need help getting unstuck. It's there to provide guidance that feels natural and relatable. The Spaces agent can ingest information about your project, like square footage or other dimensional data, or add images or tables to develop a series of simple adjacency diagrams. After you create and select a plan that works, the agent will then create three-dimensional layouts that you can use as a starting point to advance your design ideas. The Ruby agent is now available to help all users harness the power of Ruby, allowing you to automate tasks using natural language prompts. In this example, the Ruby agent is generating a script on the fly to create and install a new tool that helps the user create complex arrays. I can't wait for you to share all the amazing ways that you put this agent to work for you. We're teaching these agents how to work together to get even more complex tasks done. SketchUp Assistant is asked to create a model of the walls that are illustrated in the attached image of a floor plan. The assistant is able to call on a specially trained computer vision agent and a coding agent that generates data that is then sent back to SketchUp and is used to create a 3D model of the walls. The assistant's able to tease apart the mood board using a combination of computer vision and natural language processing. It then goes off to 3D Warehouse in search of items that best match what's shown in the mood board, and it also develops and executes a plan for arranging and placing the items in the space. We're also investing to develop safe and secure ways for you to train your own team of assistants using your data, your patterns, your rubrics. Here's an early concept of an assistant builder that offers you the option, for example, to upload a PDF containing information such as local building codes or zoning requirements, or the rules and constraints that you think should govern the adjacency of spaces, or the way furnishings or fixtures should be laid out. On behalf of our entire team, we all hope that this time has offered a meaningful look into the things we're doing to build SketchUp into the place where you go to bring your vision to life, whether that's with colleagues and stakeholders or with AI. That's our time. Thank you.